How about I tell you a story while we walk through the garden?
Yay! I love your stories, sister. What's it about today?
Today's story is about Prophet Salih, peace be upon him, and the people of Thamud. Let's sit by that tree while I tell you. Let's imagine a long time ago, in a land full of tall, rocky mountains and beautiful, green fields, there was a powerful tribe called the People of Thamud. They lived in big homes carved into the rocks. They were strong and rich.
What happened to them? Why aren't they around anymore?
They forgot Allah and started worshipping idols. So Allah sent them a Prophet Salih. He told them to stop worshipping idols and to follow Allah alone. But many of them laughed at him and refused to listen. They asked for a miracle to prove he was a real prophet. So Allah gave them a very special miracle, a huge she-camel that came out of a rock. Prophet Salih told them, "This camel is a sign from Allah. Let her drink from the water and do not harm her." The camel drank water one day, and the people used it the next day. It was a fair turn. But some people still didn't believe. They became angry and hurt the camel. Prophet Salih warned them, "You did something very wrong. Allah's punishment will come in 3 days." After 3 days, a loud earthquake shook their land and the people of Thamud were destroyed. Only those who believed in Allah were saw.
That's so sad. Why didn't they listen?
They got too proud, my brother. They thought they were the strongest and most powerful people on earth. They had everything, big houses, large farms, and everything they wanted. But the problem was, they forgot about Allah.
I'll always remember to thank Allah and listen to the people who guide us.